Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a few more things that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I stopped by in on Friday night because I went to go see that movie by Tyler Perry, Acrimony. You guys need to go see it. It's amazing. So before the movie started, of course, TJ Maxx is right next door. I had to go in. I didn't buy too much. I picked up this box of face masks. You guys know how I feel about face masks. I love them, and I use them for myself and to gift in Happy Meal. And the Little Mermaid totally sold me. So I got that one, and then I picked up this one that says Wake Up Call. 5 mask set. Coffee, rose, cucumber, coconut, and green tea. Also super cute packaging. And then I saw this card. It says a pocket full of birthday wishes. Isn't that the cutest? And it was only $1. So I was like, why not? I'll take it. And then I picked up this cute little Dear Diary. And it's in pink. And then it has like the pages and stuff like that. Super cute. It was like $2. So I picked it up. Can you guys see that clearly, or do I have to fix? I think you can see it better now. But yeah, so far these are the things that I picked up. This is the card. It's the little book. Let's see what else. I found a bunch of those Mary Mary items that Solange is always talking about. I was excited, and they were on clearance, you guys. Let me move those over. So I picked up these. And these are some cute little Hop to It party bags. You get 8 bags. And I got it for $3. How cute are these little bags? And they're like scalloped. Can you see that? So cute. I picked up some of these cupcake liners with the little picks. And then I picked up this one too, which is also with the little picks and the cupcake liners. And then I found this kit, which is super cute. It's got the little bunny, the little basket, the chickie, and then the string and the twine. Also found this one, which is Peter Rabbit. You get cupcake liners and the picks. And then I think this is the last item. It's another box of these, but these are the carrots. You guys know that I picked up the little yellow boxes. So I found these and I was excited. You get 10 boxes and I got it for $3. And they're the little carrots. And I got sent one of these in Happy Meal, so I was excited to see them there. But yeah, you guys, that's my small little TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and I also picked up this cute little, you guys know these little scent thingies? They were like $4, but it smells so good. So I have it on my desk. And this section over here of my room smells delicious. Make sure I show you guys everything. Yeah, I think I did. But yeah, you guys, that's it for my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.